Hey guys, it's Hannah here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a new plan with me. It's been a little bit since I did one, but here I do a little quick flip in my current Christmas themed planner, and here are my spreads so far from December. And this is last week. It's super cute. It's Bolderbon. It's a Bolderbon kit from last year. And actually today, this week, I am doing another Bolderbon kit because she was so kind to send me some goodies once again this Christmas. And looky here, Bonnie is just the sweetest. And I still have my Hannah15 coupon code for you guys, where you can get 15% off your Bolderbon order. So definitely take advantage of that with these super cute goodies. So this is the kit that I will be using. It's actually perfect because it has a lot of Christmas treats in it, and this is the week where I really am getting a lot of stuff done for Christmas. I am doing baking, and there's card making and gift planning, prepping, all kinds of stuff. So this kit really fits the current week I'm in, which I love. And look at those super pretty full box checklists, gorgeous. So that is the kit, but she also sent along a New Year's kit. I'm just gonna show it to you because it's so gorgeous. I'm so looking forward to using this one too, and I'm planning on making another plan with me with that. Look at those balloons. I just love it. So I'm so excited for New Year's. I'm gonna use this the week after Christmas, the week of New Year's Eve. Look at all that gold! This is so me, guys, and I love that she sent this. Thank you so much, Bonnie. You are amazing and so kind. Thank you so much for all of this. And now, let's get into the plan with me. So I am starting with taking out my pages. You can see I have slits in them so that I don't have to open the rings, which I find very practical. And now we get into the speed motion here. So I'm starting with putting down the day covers Monday through Friday. And Bonnie has these kind of almost like a paintbrush shape to them, which is really creative instead of just a square or rectangular box style, which it usually is. And there's a lot of really fun patterns in this kit. Makes it a really happy and playful, like, Christmas theme, which I think is really fun. And once again, for me, it really fit with this week. And now I'm deciding which headers to put down. I decided to do a variation for the first row being red and pink, and then I'm going to do the green and then light green on the middle row, I believe I decided to do. But because there weren't enough of each color to do one row each. Otherwise I would have probably done red and then pink and then green. But either way, I'm also putting down the date dots. I love that Bonnie's kits come with date dots. I love that so much because it makes it just so much easier for me when I plan. Because with her kits, everything is included. So I really only need to use what's included in her kits. Everything is there. Honestly, for me, that's all I need. And here you can see is where I vary from the dark green to the light green headers in the middle row section. And now I am starting to put down the full box checklists. I love when these are included. I use full box checklists whenever I can, and I do tend to put them at the top box on each day, just because I like to have my main to-dos for the day, and if there's anything else, I kind of add it lower underneath at the bottom box probably. But I love to have these at the very top. Makes it very clear and easy for my eye to find what's to do. And this is a kind of pre-planning kind of week. Actually, no, it's before the pen. You guys will not see me actually filling much in, just because I'm just putting down the base of the cute stuff, and then what I actually end up doing on each day was a bit unclear as of the filming of this video. But as you saw, I put down the beautiful double full box on the right side of the page, and now I'm putting down some more cute full boxes on the left side of the page. So I'm there was 2 full boxes left, but I decided to keep those for another time. And now I'm putting down, as you can see, the weekend banner. I like to put that straight above Friday and Saturday, makes it, you know, clear and happy. I like to have weekend banners, just makes it, I don't know, I like the spread that way, it makes it fun. And I decided, I don't know if these stickers are supposed to be headers, but I decided to use them as headers, and they have these really cute scallops. I just could not help myself. And then I did a mistake there on Sunday. I doubled headered Sunday. That was I was just in the flow, and then I forgot what I was doing. Either way, I'm deciding to put down a quarter box for each day at the very bottom, because I want to put down my meals for every day. So the plan for me is to put down the meal each day or each night, so that's why it's at the very bottom. And then I decide to put a half box in the middle, at the very center of each bottom box as well. And as you can see, I'm varying from the green and the red borders in these boxes. Also, you know, with the half boxes and the quarter boxes. So this is more of a playful spread. I don't go completely matchy-matchy. I kind of go with the colors a little bit here and there. I just thought this kit was so playful as it was, so I kind of wanted to keep that theme. And now I am putting down some of the washi. And because this is not an Erin Condon style planner, this is an A5, I'm getting creative a bit with the bottom washi. So I decided to put the skinnier part of it at the top. And then, perfectly enough, I can use the thicker one at the bottom, which I love so much. I do love when kits include two different, not shapes, but what's the word? Sizes, I mean, two different sizes of bottom washi, because that way I can choose how I want to use it. And in my case, I don't have enough space for both at the bottom, but as you can see here, the thicker one of the two is actually perfect size for my inserts here, which makes me so happy. So I just need to cut them a little bit, because at least one of them is a bit too long. It depends on what kit I use. Actually, I see now that Bonnie's kits, both of them are too long. So I need to just cut them according to size, but otherwise it's perfect. It's amazing. It's like perfect on the millimeter, as you can see here. I just love when stickers fit, even though they might not have been intended to, because I don't think they're specifically made for this type of inserts or planner. But either way, I'm happy about it. You know, I just loving it. Makes it easy for me. On Sunday, I decided to make it easy and just kind of match what I already had done. Otherwise, sometimes I put a full box on Sunday, because for me, I try to make it a rest day and not to plan in too much. But Sunday, it's a bit of, it's a different size of box, so I was a little bit, what do I put up here? Because usually I don't put a lot on Sundays. I try to keep it very open. But as you can see, I ended up actually using that extra header again, just to make it more symmetrical, looking at it as a whole this entire week. And then I decided to use the same type of scallop half box on Saturday. And that is it, guys. That is this full week all done. Bonnie's kits, they're so easy to use. Like I said, everything's included, and that just makes it quick for me to plan. And that actually, I really like that, because sometimes I get stressed out about how long it takes for me to put together a full A5 spread. But with Bonnie's kits, I'm never worried about that, which is amazing. Once again, if you want this kit, or if you want the New Year's kit, or, do you just like Bonnie's style, go and check out her kits. I highly recommend. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!